Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day video as a vegan, so let's go make some breakfast. Okay, so for breakfast I cooked my quinoa and then I put strawberries, bananas, hemp seeds, and almonds in it, and then I sprinkled cinnamon and date syrup on top and also peanut butter. And if you've never tried this before, you totally should because it is so good. I made it like in a few what I eat in a day videos ago, and it was like my first time making breakfast quinoa, and I just became so obsessed with it. And it's also really filling because of like all the protein and healthy fats, so totally recommend making it. Okay, so I made my lunch and ate it, and it was so good. I was really worried since this was my first time making the rice wraps. I've had them before, but I've never made them. I was really worried that when I was rolling them, everything would like fall out and the rice wrap would break, but it's actually way easier than you think. So you should really try it if you never have, because they're really good and they're really easy to make and they really don't take that long. So for the wrap, in it was carrots, lettuce, tofu, and like dried ginger, and then I made a sauce, literally just peanut butter, water, coconut aminos, and red pepper. Sugar Plum Fairy Princess. So cute. For dinner, I had chickpea pasta, and in my opinion, I think that's the best brand of chickpea pasta. And then I put pizza sauce on it instead of marinara sauce because I already had pizza sauce open and I don't think it's that big of a difference. And then I had mushrooms, carrots, broccoli, and bell peppers with it, and then I also sprinkled oregano and nutritional yeast on it, and also sun-dried tomatoes, which added a really nice texture to it. Okay, so I think I'm going to make a video about this later on, like in the summer, but I just wanted to show you. Look at all of these plants. So I am in a horticulture class, or I was in a horticulture class. Well, technically I'm still in a horticulture class, but obviously school got canceled, so I just do it online now. But our teacher told us that we could like basically take any plants we wanted home and meet him at the school to pick them up. I just made a list of plants I was interested in, and then he gave us all of these, and I'm like, oh my gosh. But I really do love plants so much, so I'm really excited to plant them. Hey guys, so later on I had some Celestial Seasonings Bengal Spice Tea, which is so good. And then I also had some Ritz crackers and vegan cheese spread. And yeah, so that's basically it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye.